There are several things that go into tire maintenance: proper tire pressure, proper lug torque, and protection from UV rays.
One way to protect your tires from UV rays are tire covers. We're Larry and Yvette from Broadville Beginnings, full-time Airstreamers, and we're super excited to team up with the folks at Airskirts on the dual axle tire cover.
The people over at Airskirts were very friendly and we received our package quick.
Whether you're on the road full-time or just during the weekends, installation, removal, and packaging is huge. We're going to speed up the video a little bit, but it's good to point out this was my first time doing all three. As you can see, both tire covers went on with little effort. After a few small adjustments, they were securely on and provided a good clean look. The removal process was just as easy. Both covers came off in just a few minutes, folded up nicely, and fit well in the package they provided.
We all know that storage is a hot commodity when you're RVing, so the fact that it's not going to take up much space at all is something that I really loved. Click the link below to check out all the products that Airskirts provides. We hope this helped you on your journey. Thanks for watching.